Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to merge indicators in Tradingview in 2026 so that you can stack or combine them on one single panel. First of all, come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this sale down in the description box below. With the help of this deal, you are going to get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional absolutely for free. So if you are interested, you can just explore the offers and hurry up because only one day left. So here on tradingview.com, you need to simply log in into your account first. Then click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you. You can also click on this search icon here on the top and you just have to simply launch the chart on which you want to add the indicators and later merge them. Now click on the option of indicators tab here on the top. You just have to look for the indicators which you want to merge. So let's say the first indicator that I want to add here on the chart is RSI. So after typing it, I'm gonna clicking on the RSI strategy. The second thing that I want to add here is, let's say, MACD. So I'm going to search for MACD and then I'm going to click on it. Now, as you can see, when I clicked on both of these strategies, you will see them here in the bottom on its own. Basically, these are going to be merged automatically when you use them here on your chart. But you can also click on the settings icon on either of the indicator to adjust the colors, the scales, or the visibility so that it will be very easy for you to determine which one is RSI and which one is MACD. So here, this way you will be able to merge your indicators on TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.